Welcome to our channel. In the last session, we created a model. What is the model? Model is a table. Now, a model is created in the last session with two fields. What are the two fields? F name is one field, L name is another field. Okay. Now, today's session, we are going to insert data into the table. Here we are using two ways. First way is we can insert a single record. Another way is we can insert multiple records. We can insert multiple records. So we need a Python shell. But how the Python shell is coming? I will explain. See this one. Here open the command prompt, type python manage.py. You got it? Python manage.py. Here what you require? Here if you want to run the server, type run server. Whatever you type, that is happened. Here what is my required? Shell. Now whenever you are given this command, what happens? My virtual environment is moved to shell environment. Observe, this is an interactive console. Here we are writing the SQL statements for inserting record. Okay. What is the first step? The first step is you need to import the class. The class. Where the class is available? The class is available under models.py, where the models is available in first tab. So observe the path. This is my first step. Remember step by step from the models. First tab dot models we are importing. Observe, this small f refers to my app name. Here that capital F refers to my class name. Don't confuse it. Press enter. What happens? My table is coming. Just now my table is available. Now if you want to see the information what is present inside the table on that class, remember the function. This is the very useful function, objects dot all. The function returns all the fields present in the table. What is my class name? First app dot objects dot all. This function returns the entire table. Now, right now, what it returns? Query set of empty. Why? Because up to now, I doesn't perform any insertion operation. Just I am importing the table and display the result. Now coming to first step. How to insert a record? How do we insert a record? The simple procedure is, suppose any variable is equal to first name, class name. What are the fields we have? F name is one field. So Nagaraju. Nagaraju. Comma, L name is another field. For example, my initial close. Now observe, first to name of, here I am adding the two fields. Now press enter. Name error, first to name. Sorry, here the way, class name is, sorry, first to app. What is the class name? The class name is not first name. The class name is first app. Sorry. RES is equal to first app of capital F. First app. This is my class name. Under this class name, what are the two fields? First name Nagaraju, comma, L name is equal to my information. Okay. Now I stored my information in RES, but that is not updated to the table. How it is updated? By using the function save. If you are typing res.save, press enter. A record is stored. A record is stored. One record is successfully completed. Now, if you want, suppose I can add one more record. I can add one more record, res1, res1. For example, the name is some Vikas. The last name is, sorry, Vikas, and my last name is some Karthik. End. Now, res1 dot save off. Okay. Now the two records are inserted into the table. How do retry? We already discussed. First app dot objects dot all. It retrieves the query set. If any values are available, see this one. First app dot object dot all. What it returns? It returns the query set that is not available. Yes or no? You have to access like this. Sorry, here I am typing object, not object, objects. Now enter. See this one. A query set is available like this, but I does not require the query set. I require the values. So dot values. If you are writing this one, now what is the output? ID 1. I already said automatically an ID field is added. First name, last name. ID 2. First name, last name. You got it? Just now, two records are inserted. This is the way to insert record into the table. Here, only one record at a time. Now, what is my next question? If you want to insert multiple records, the concept is very simple. Write down all the records. For example, R3, RES3. Already I copied. So change the names. For example, Sai, with. Here assume this one as RES3. Now press enter. Assume one more RES4. Here I am not saved the record. You understand the point? Here I am not saved the record. ABC. My first name is some Suresh and RES4. Now two records. Now your aim is at a time you can add multiple records. How? Remember, take all these records in a single list. All the whatever the records we are created, place in a single list. Like suppose RE is equal to list of RES3, comma RES4. Already RES1 and RES2 already added. Now that means here I am placing all my records in a single list for I in R. From that list, take one element, that is first, what is that one? I dot. I means RES3 dot save of each and everything that is repeated. Name or sorry, here the name is RE for I in RE. I in RE. I dot save of. Now, okay. Now check whether all the records are inserted or not. What is the function? This one, this command. Now see this one. ID3, ID4 is also inserted. This is the way to insert multiple records into the table at a time. Okay. So insertion is completed. In the next session, we discuss some other operations. So that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.